To edit your footer, click on Edit then scroll to the end of the page. Remember, like the header, any changes you make to the footer apply to all pages on your site. Click on Edit Site Footer. You can then update different website details such as your site name, logo, description, address, copyright information, and navigation links. Think of the footer as a mini page. You can add different blocks to it, just like you would in any other section of your website. You can make changes to the design, add a background or select another color theme for your footer section. You can also add a new section. Select among the pre-made Squarespace footer templates. Or add a new blank section. For example, you can add a newsletter sign-up form here, to capture leads across all your website pages. Thank you for watching.